The Honor Magic 6 Pro, launched in January 2024, is a flagship smartphone that aims to deliver top-tier performance, cutting-edge features, and a premium design. With its sleek build, powerful hardware, and advanced camera system, it competes with the best in the market. Let's dive into what makes this device stand out. The design and build. Honor Magic 6 Pro sports a stylish design with dimensions of 162.5mm in length, 75.8mm in width, and 8.9mm in thickness, and weighing of 225 grams or 229 grams depending on the version. The phone is protected by nanocrystal shield on both front and back, with options of glass or eco leather finish. It's also IP68 certified, making it dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The display. It has a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display that offers 1 billion colors and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. And it also includes Dolby Vision, HDR, and a peak brightness of 5000 nits. And its resolution and pixel density ensure sharp and vibrant colors, making it ideal for multimedia consumption and gaming. For performance, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256GB to 1TB. This combination delivers exceptional performance and has a Adreno 750 GPU, which ensures smooth gaming and graphical performance. Camera system. The triple camera setup on the back includes a 50MP wide sensor with a variable aperture, a 180MP periscope telephoto lens with 2.5 times optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. The camera system is equipped with features like Laser AF, PDAF, OIS, and 10-bit video recording, ensuring professional-grade photography and videography. Battery life. The 5600 mAh battery provides long-lasting power with an active user score of 14 hours and 6 minutes. It supports 80-watt wired charging, 66-watt wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging options, ensuring you will never left without power. Additional features. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with a range of modern connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and even an infrared port. The USB Type-C 3.2 port supports DisplayPort 1.2 and OTG, adding versatility to its connectivity suite. The device also includes advanced sensors like an on-display fingerprint scanner, Face ID, and emergency SOS via satellite. In conclusion, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is a powerhouse of a smartphone that excels in almost every aspect. And that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. And see you next time.